Hello darlings, for today's video I'm going to show you how I edit my beauty tutorials for Instagram. So let's go ahead and get started. After color correcting with Adobe Premiere and cutting out all of the unnecessary parts of the video with Wondershare Filmora, as I showed in my last How to Edit YouTube Videos tutorial, it's now time to edit the video even more for Instagram. Since I'm starting off with the video I made for YouTube, I'm removing all of the tracks, including music and text, except for the video file. I'm also deleting the end screen. Then I'm adding some music by dragging it to the track beneath the video file and cutting it so that it stops at 1 minute, which is the appropriate length for Instagram. Next, I apply this custom text watermark to the track above the video files and set it to end at 1 minute. Once I've decided what parts of the video I want to focus on, it's easy for me to delete sections of the video. For this one, I want to focus on the Sigma Beauty products since I'm using their new Cor de Rosa collection. With that being said, I have a few clips in the uncut video that I would like to add in to show the products I'm using. So I'm just cutting those out with the scissor tool and moving them to the parts of the video I use them in. After adding those, I just find the parts I don't want to include in the video and delete them by selecting the trash can icon or pressing the delete key on my keyboard. Now you can see that my video is a lot closer to 1 minute, so I'm just going to double check and see if there are any additional parts I don't want and delete those as well. Then I'm speeding up as many of the clips as necessary so that the video fits into the 1 minute timeline. I'm doing this by right-clicking each one and setting the speed to 1.2 times. Now I'm selecting each clip and cropping them to the 1:1 dimension, which is a square. After making sure each clip is centered, I'm adding in the transitions. I place transitions of about 20 seconds in between clips where I want there to be a distinction between steps, such as the intro and outro, and before and after clips where I showed products. Sometimes I'll add an element to show which shades I'm using from the palette. I'm not doing that for this particular video, but I'll still show you how I do it. First, I go to Elements and choose one that I like, then I add it to the track above the video file, and finally I resize it so that it fits into the pan of the palette. Now I'm just adjusting the music to fade out. Finally, the video is complete, and it's time to export. Wondershare Filmora makes this step easy. I simply choose the best export setting. Here's a look at the settings. And that's how I edit my beauty tutorials for Instagram. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!